Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you not able to delete Tinder account solve. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Tinder and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. If you are still having the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over and then tap on your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside your general, tap on the option iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down and then find Tinder. Let me just assume this app is the Tinder, and once you're inside here you'll find these two options. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.